We're on our way to the Jade factory to see how jade jewelry is made near Antigua. Hey you guys! Thanks for joining us on another journey. If you're new to the channel, this is April.
Hola.
And I'm Wayne. We do a video every Thursday, so hit that subscribe button and smash that bell. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
Muy bien, entonces pues sean bienvenidos. Mi nombre es Carlos.
He say welcome.
Welcome.
He is Carlos, and he is happy to you be here.
El jade acá en Guatemala lo hemos adoptado como nuestra piedra preciosa.
The Guatemala Jade, they adopted like to precious stone.
Yes.
But
yeah.
they discovered 35 different jade tonalities.
What?
What?
I didn't know that.
I did not know that.
Yeah. The jade is a more harder stone composition, yeah, because it's a 7.5, the hardest composition. Remember the river, when they found the jade surrounding that river, he called Zacapa and Chiquimula, and that was a specific province when they found jade. Almost 4 hours from here to that province, and they using another car, 1 hour and a half driving and another hour and a half walking up in the hill. They found different stone, rustic stone like this. But in the mountain, the water is very important to make a test, because you are starting to see different texture and different aspects about
different
the
colors.
stone. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
The water is one kind, to tasting the jade. The another one is a hammer.
Yeah.
Yes.
Crack it open.
Exactly.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow.
Yes. Oh,
And
yes.
certain colors are worth more money, right?
Yes, but only two is a little bit more expensive because it's more hard to find. Like the purple or rainbow. In the mountain, up in the hill, you can find little pieces, stone pieces like this, or you can find huge pieces like this. He will explain us about the three forms to find jade in the mountain.
Okay.
Exacto. La primera es el peso de la piedra.
The first one is the weight. You can taste it's solid, heavy. It's a cold stone too.
Oh, okay.
Y para eso llevamos martillos. Y la piedra en la montaña va a sonar así.
Oh my
It's like to iron with iron. Because it's very solid. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
When you are making that test, you can break the stone pieces.
If it's not jade, it falls apart.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hear the sound.
Este
Oh, yeah.
It's too soft. It's broke.
And it breaks.
It's more acoustic sound.
Yes.
Yeah. The other one is solid and strong sound.
por ejemplo, esta. Miren.
It's like a bell.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah, you hear the different tones.
Exactly. It's necessary to break little bits. From here, they are starting to know which texture they will find inside. When they found one stone like this, and they make it all taste up in the mountain, they bring that stone in the village.
Oh, it's
in
so
the village,
smooth.
they have machinery. Machinery is an industrial machinery, and they still using diamonds because the diamond is 10 times more stronger and it's easy to cut. Jade.
Wow.
Exacto.
So that's how you can tell if jade's real or not, is if it scratches, it's not jade.
Real, exactly. It's not real jade. Yeah.
That's a little tip for you, so you don't buy fake jade.
These materials are about that province, Chiquimula and Zacapa, they are starting to produce about 10 or 15 kilometers underground.
Oh.
Down underground, that stone is high pressure, under tectonic plaques. For that is changing to be metamorphotic.
Oh.
When they found one stone on ground, is almost 1,200 years to running in all ground when it is in the top. This material is coming from the first Mayas. It's hereditary from them.
Yeah.
They are using a lot jewelry
Yes.
by jade.
Right.
The first form to start is making board like this.
Oh, okay.
They are starting to cut in plaques. They call plaques like this in different size, in different form. Exactly. And here the worker, they decide which design he will start to make.
Okay.
And here you
tenemos.
start to see a different color when they
yes.
happen here. That color is coming from rustic stone like this.
Yes.
The worker is coming to cut one square piece like this, and after they started to get little form, and after they started to shining and using different materials like to cow skin, yeah, for polishing, and they add some abrasive, yeah, it's like to sand, yeah, that one is making more pressure and more friction, and for that is more shining.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
For example, it's hard process. You know, the jewelry is very small, and they are using only fingers for get the formation. You can see is each color is a natural. No, they don't add any additive, any colorants. It's
That's
real,
what makes it
real
so special.
jade. Exactly.
Yeah.
They will make rings, and they call donuts.
Donuts.
Donuts, yeah, it's like the donut.
Donuts.
Donkey donuts, yes.
Yeah.
Process of this time is starting with one square pieces.
That's what they start with.
Exactly.
How do they hold it to grind it?
With your fingers.
With your fingers?
Tie.
For real?
Yes, we will make impression, and this one is spinning.
Oh, hell no.
They are still using different tools like dentist tools.
Oh,
exactly,
yeah.
for making all process. For example, to make a hole in here is necessary to use another industrial materials.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or industrial
makes
tools.
sense.
Exacto.
It's a diamond
Yeah,
industrial.
wet.
Let's say, and now and here, yeah, they are using the talent. Okay, after it's coming to shining process, they are using a different material like this. They are using
For
eight
polish.
eight different grades. After here, they need to get more the last shining process. They put on here. This one is a cow leather.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
yeah.
it's
Puffing
more
wheel.
soft.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
more soft. Forget the more the finer shine.
Oh my God! Look at that. Let me show you the back. And it's so smooth and shiny. So how much does something like this size cost?
It
depends on Carlos, yeah.
Depend the color,
Right.
depend the size, depend the material when you are making the
Yeah.
jewelry. For example, with a silver.
Yes, all around the edges.
Silver around.
Yes.
Yeah, with one hole to hang in the necklace. But
Maybe we
for
can
example,
ask
this
them.
one is one example. Yeah, you can
Oh,
make a
see, that's
different
nice.
stuff.
Yeah.
But depend the size.
What are you going to do with it, though? It's
Well,
not finished.
I would, yeah, I would need it to be a necklace or something.
This will make more soft and easy to fix it.
Oh wow.
April watched this being made from start to finish, and she decided to buy it. 270 casalas, which is about 35 US dollars.
And here in the workshop, you can see the finer process, you can see sculpture, you can see jewelry, and you can see general work.
Yes. Wow.
Pieces like this, they are using silver, or sometimes they are using gold.
Look, this one's giving birth. Look, top twins. That's scary.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
You can looking for depend your birthday here,
Yeah.
month, and year.
Okay. What is my Mayan protector, Wayne?
Yes.
This is April,
That's my Mayan sign.
and this is mine. This is my Mayan symbol for February.
I'm Ik.
Ah, no.
He's Ah.
Ik, the mean hummingbird, and armadillo.
Armadillo. We want to thank you for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living life. See you next Thursday.